everyone, it's Nisi. So I'm here to show you what my Snap-on Smile looks like today. This Snap-on Smile, I got it in 2016, so it's about 6 years old now. So I've always just kind of cleaned it with soap and water because I never ordered the stuff to clean it. But you can see that it's really yellowed. So, these do stain after a while, but I went to the store and I thought, because I haven't worn this thing in a while, let me see if I put it in some polydent, if it would make a difference, if it would whiten it up again. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to put it in here for a while and come back and see how it looks after it's been sitting a while. So this is about probably an hour, maybe a little less than an hour, maybe like 45 minutes. I wasn't really timing it. But that's what they're looking like now, and I'm going to soak them a little longer, I think, because they still look a little yellow. Okay, so I soaked them in polydent for about 2 hours, and let's take a look at them. Hey, they're white again.